Hi everyone, good afternoon, good morning, good evening. So in today's session we'll discuss about expression transformation. Okay, how we can use expression transformation and then in which scenario we can use it. So in which scenario we can use it, just take an example. If you want to concatenate two string values, or you want to do some mathematical operations, simple mathematical operations like addition, subtraction, like that. And then if you already worked on ETL tools, then creation of variables, parameters. So at, to create parameters, variables, to use those, you need to use a expression transformation. Okay, so based on your requirement, you can check on transformations, which one we need to use it. Based on that, you need to decide whether we need to go for a filter transformation, aggregator, or expression transformation. So expression transformation, it is for concatenating or doing some multiplication, or using variables or using parameters. In those cases, you can use the expression transformation. So in previous session we discussed about filter, where we discussed on how to filter a data set before processing it into target. But today we'll discuss on the expression transformation, how we can use it and then how we can create it. So I have already created the sample mapping where I have used source and simple target transformations, and then added a expression transformation. So you can add it from this list, you can drag it here. Okay, otherwise you can click on this particular link. Okay, here you will see 3 dots. So if you click on that, it will show all the transformations. Here also you can select. Okay, so I have used the source, and then source I have used a sample file provided by Informatica itself, and then connection also it was provided by Informatica. And then target, it's my local system connection. So I have created it, and then it was already, I have already executed once. Okay, so I am creating concatenated values.csv file here. So what I will do, I will add, I will create it at the runtime. Okay, so create at the runtime, I'll just mention it 1. Okay, and then formatting option, based on your target file or database, you need to use it, you need to use the connection. Okay, I am using a flat file connection, and I am creating a .csv. If you want to create .txt or XML file, so based on that you need to provide a configuration. Okay, so in the source it's just an connection configuration. Okay, and then in the expression transformation I have selected only few fields. So here you can go for a column filter, and the whatever columns you require you can select it. So I have selected only 4 fields. So these are the 4 fields I am using it for this particular example. And then in the expression I have used simple expression, that is concatenating first name and then last name. Like this also you can write it, otherwise you can use a concat function. Okay, so anything is, so but you need to make sure this formula or expression should be in valid state. Okay, otherwise mapping will throw an error. Okay, and then target side, the whatever columns you are passing it, all columns gets published or printed in the target file. Okay, so I will save this, and then I will run it now. So here you can see the job is getting executed. So it's in the starting, and then it's now in the queue status, and now it is running. Okay, now you can see the mapping got succeeded. It processed 503 records. Okay, let's check whether the whatever expectation was there with the expression transformation, whether it was done or not, whether we got the proper result set or not. Okay, so let me show it to you using source transformation. So this is my target connection, and then we have created concatenated underscore values 1, right? So that file itself, I will select it, and then let's preview data. Okay, so here you can see we have a concatenated column. Okay, so formatting option, tab, column, other. Okay, just for a display purpose we use, I think, concatenated name. Because of comma it got shifted to another column. Let's do some changes here. Okay, so the expression what we have created, I have used a comma, right? And then target also, it's a comma separated file. Because of that reason it was shifting. It was printing after comma value in the next column. So I will just give some other special characters. Now what I will do, I will rename the, I will give another file name. Okay, select. So here I will provide, okay, concatenated underscore values to file I am going to create. So save it, run it again. Job is getting executed. Now you can see it's a third run. Okay, for the particular mapping. Here you can see the first run, second run, and then third run. So Informatica generates numbering sequence number for a particular job execution if you are running particular job. Okay, so it got succeeded, it generated, it processed 503 records. Now let's select again that particular connection, and then the file name, the values 3, concatenated underscore values 3, 2 file we have created, right? So let's check the values whether it was concatenated or not. Now you can see it here. So first name Dina and then last name Curry. Here you can see concatenated name Dina, tilde operator, the special character what we have used, and then Curry, right? So this way we need to use expression transformation in our mapping. So try it out. If you have any queries, let me know. Thank you.